with the giveaway. In today, I'm going to offer you a simple solution of switching your normal bike to an e-bike with an up to 38 km/h speed. Let's go! The first reason you may fall in love with this motorized wheel immediately is its simplicity. You won't find any annoying wires or circuit board that you would normally find on other motorized wheels. All you got is a wheel symbol and ready to go e-tire. The second is its easy assembly. Just remove your old front tire and drop it in iMotor 3 e-tire. Throw on some washers that come with the box and tighten them down. Attach the battery. Lastly, install the foam bracket. Easy peasy. It comes with an iMotor 3 app as well, which you can download from Google Play or App Store. Turn on the e-tire simply by pressing down the power button. Click iMotor 3 app. Just follow the steps and you will connect to the tire pretty quickly. Like also, the app interface is pretty rough, but you get all the basics. Here you can change different modes, which is the only way to adjust your iMotor speed, and see other information like mileage, time, calories, etc. Of course, you can change other parameters as well, but I normally wouldn't touch them. So riding this motorized wheel e-bike, I gotta say, is pretty sweet. As it's a mobile wheel, you need to pedal the bike to a minimum of 5 km/h speed to get it started. Then it will be in cruise control mode at the speed which you've chosen in the app first. It's perfect for those long rides. Style and design is classy to the average. I bet most people wouldn't even know you're riding an electric bike. 5 modes are available, suitable for any 26-inch or 27.5-inch mountain bike, road bike, or leisure bike. Top speed isn't crazy fast. In my test, I have reached to 35 km/h, which is pretty close to what they have claimed to be. The max output power for the hub motor is 800 watt and the battery is 36 volt, 270 watt hours. That means you can ride up to 60 km on a single charge purely riding electric. What's more, you can charge your phone during riding. By the way, riding around with that extra weight in the front isn't a big deal at all. You definitely get used to it and can still have some good fun. Overall, this is a nice and simple kit to convert your ordinary bike into a sweet, cool e-bike at an affordable price. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed riding it. For more about the iMotor 3, link in the description. I'm Sammy.